Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to calculate or construct the index numbers. I request you to go through the first video and come into the second video because we have already taught the index number and uses of index number in the previous video. To construct the index number, we have the two methods, weighted indices and unweighted indices, and these methods are further classified. First, we will see about weighted indices. These are classified into 5 types: Last price index number, Pash's price index number, Fisher price index number, Dorpish-Bowley price index number, and the last one is Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. So first we will see the last price index number, which is denoted as P01 of last price. Here the P01 is defined or referenced as the price index number of current year based on the previous year. The 1 represents the current year and 0 represents the base year, which is equals to summation P1 Q0 into summation P0 Q0 into 100. Here in the last price index number, we take the base year prices as base year quantities as weights, which is Q0. Q represents the quantities and P represents the prices. Here as 1 represents the current year, 0 represents the base year. So in last price, the base year quantities are taken as weights. So the formula is summation P1 Q0 into summation P0 Q0 into 100. So the next one is Pash's price index number. So we represent the price index number of current year reference to the base year, which is equals to summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Here in the Pash's, we take the current year quantities as weights. So in the place of Q0, we have Q1. If anyone asks the difference between the last price index number and Pash's, we can say that in last price we use the base year quantities and in Pash's we use current year quantities as weights. Now we will see about Fisher price index number, which is equals to, it is a geometric mean of last price index number and Pash's price index number. For example, if we have two numbers, let us represent it as A, B. If we need to find out the geometric mean of these two numbers, then the formula is under root A into B. Under root A into B. So, in the same way, the Fisher price index number is, it is a geometric mean of last price index number and Pash's price index number. Now we will see about Dorpish-Bowley price index number, which is equals to last price index number plus Pash's price index number divided by 2, which is the arithmetic mean of last price and Pash's. So now let us consider two numbers, A and B. And if we need to find out the arithmetic mean of these two numbers, therefore n is equals to 2. Then the arithmetic mean becomes number of sum of the observations by total number of observations, which is A plus B divided by 2. So the Dorpish-Bowley price index number is the arithmetic mean of last price plus last price and Pash's. So now Let us see the last one, Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. Here as in the last place we taken the base year quantities and in Parrish's current year quantities. In the Marshall, the weights becomes the arithmetic mean of Q0 and Q1, which is the base year and current year quantities. So in the place of Q0, we substitute Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2, where Q0 is equals to Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2. So in the place of Q0, if we substitute this, what we will get? It is summation P1 Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2 by summation P0 into Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2 into 100. So we can cancel this 2 and this 2. We have only summation P1 into Q0 plus Q1 by summation P0 into Q0 plus Q1 into 100. So the formula becomes summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. This is about the weighted indices, and now we will see the unweighted indices. In unweighted indices, there are the two methods, simple aggregative method and simple average of relatives. Simple aggregative method, P01, which is the price index number of current year reference to the base year, which is equals to summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Here summation P1 is the total current year prices divided by total base year prices into 100. For example, if we take the sugar price in 2010, let us take in 2010. The sugar price is 20, and now in this year, let us take this year, the sugar price is 40. Then we need to compare 40. So the formula becomes the total current year prices divided by total base year prices into 100, which is equals to the total price of sugar in current year, which is 40 divided by 20 into 100. In this way, we compare the prices of current year reference to the base year. Now let us see the second method, simple average of relatives. As the name represents the average, There are two types of averages, arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Arithmetic mean formula is 1 by n summation p1 by summation p0 into 100. Here the n represents the number of commodities. The commodities may be food, clothing, iron, silver, production, import, export. Here if a family spent total, for example, if we take a family spent 1000 rupees on three types of groceries, these three, the number 3 becomes the n. And now geometric mean. Geometric mean formula is anti-log of 1 by n log summation p1 by p0 into 100. As I said in the previous video, these are the statistic calculations, so we cannot calculate for the anti-log, or we cannot not by heart the values. So we need to use this statistic calculation or scientific calculator, we call it as, and we can calculate those values. This is what about how we can calculate or construct the index numbers, and I hope you guys like the video and the content. If you want more videos, then you can please give your reviews and whatever you want in the comment box. I'll make it sure, I'll make the video, and thank you.